cardiac facility in the Goa Medical College. In addition to that, today we have three units working round the clock in the Goa Medical College so that we are able to provide the quality cardiac care to the people of the state of Goa. Several doctors, and today also recently we have got several DM seats that have been sanctioned for the state of Goa. That comes only when you are able to meet that requirement. Today in Goa, if you go to see the largest hospital under the PMSSY, which has been sanctioned by none other than our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for the state of Goa, for the cost of over 400 crores, that is if you take into consideration the equipment and other costs. South Goa District Hospital has also been completed and commissioned. We are in the final stages of commissioning the Pedne Hospital. There also certain basic facilities have been started. All this involves infrastructure, health infrastructure of more than 1,000 and odd crores. Now if you ask me the breakup, how we have been going about, we started assessing and doing a analysis of what is required. People used to come earlier only to Goa Medical College until late night. They had to take dialysis and other things, as a result of which it was becoming very difficult for them, and providing this type of care for people who are suffering and in that type of condition. So as a result, we tied up with another agency and we have opened several dialysis centers across the state of Goa.